MLA ka mau kurwat uba Renikton lingdo tongkar hadin ke jimpan mam sma ya ko menteri batma jong ka sarkar jala henne ka sitari urisau ula Pynpaw ya ka Jingsngewnguh ya ki Nongkyrshan ki bala IMC nado ba ula long kom MLA bat uni orang ba ula Pynpaw ba Renikton nam ta ka jingba jong ka constituency bat ka jala hi barok wai.
Very much grateful to the people of Maukerwat who have sent me first to the assembly. I have been elected in the election 2018, and due to that, I became today as the minister. So once again, I want to give a big thanks to all my supporters from two parties. They have supported me, HSPDP and UDP. So these two party supporters, I'm very much grateful to them, and I hands up to them, and I wish I will do my best to serve the people of Maukerwat, the people of the state, and at my capacity, whatever I can. Of course, I have started my service as a public leader. Even before I became an MLA, I have started my service at whatever capacity I can do. I have started, and yes, as an MLA for 2.5 years, I have tried my level best to serve the people, and I wish God will give me wisdom to perform and to do better now as a minister of the state. Of course, you see, as an MLA, as a minister, obviously we feel short, but there's time for everything, so we have to try to complete, to do the best within the available time. Otherwise it's too short to do, but as now we have a lot of tasks to complete the remaining 2.5 years, and I hope we will do better with the cooperation of Chief Minister, with the help of Chief Minister, on his guidance, and then with the cooperation among the colleagues minister. I hope we will do the best for the remaining.